we are going to see about operations on a series object. For modifying data, vector operations, data, arithmetic operations, filtering, and dropping. Modifying elements. So after creating the data and creating sending the data in series object, we can modify easily through the syntax series object square bracket index equal to new value. So this one is to assign the new value for the existing index in the series object. The second one syntax series objects start colon stop equal to the values. So range of value we can range of index we can change a new value. So first one only one position value changed, and second one is uh, like a slicing we can change that more than one index position value. And third one is object series object dot index functions used to change that index. Also we can assign the new index. The first two we can change the values, and the third one is changing the index label of the series object. So first one we are going to modify the element. So series object is obj1 and its index a b c d e f, and see here object 1 of 2 equal to 15. So second position of series object values changed 15. Before change its value is not a number. Now you see that the value is 15. And next, that is first one example is only one position, second position value alone changed, and here 2 colon 5. So second to ending position 4. Actually start value 5 is given, 5 minus 1 so 4. So second position to fourth position values are changed into 15. See this output. And next start value is given 1, end value is not given, but skip value is 3 minus 1 2. So starting position 1 position 2 and skipping 2 values till the end of the series object, the value is going to be changed 15. So first position corresponding first position index label is b, its value 15, and skipping the two labels cd and the next e 15. See the output. And next we are going to change the indexes labels. Also we can change it through index attributes object 1 dot index equal to ijklmz. It is new labels. It replaces the existing label a2f. See the output index. Vector operations we apply to the each element in that series object. So here just adding 2 with all the elements except not numbers, all the values is ordered 2, the output. Next we are checking that conditions object 1 greater than 10, so that all the elements compared with 10, it return either true or false because it's a conditional operation. So return boolean value either true or false. And the next one just subtracting the 10 from that object's values. So see the output. So all values subtracted by 10. arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, or divisions or arithmetic operations we can do in that series object. Suppose the indexes are not matched in that both series object, then it will return the not a number. Arithmetic operations we can assign into some other series object also. So see here, there are two series object, object 1 and object 2 printed. Next we are going to add those values. See, object 1 index label is A, B, C, A. Object 2 index labels are A, B, C, D. So the unmatched indexes D return the values is not a number. And then C, first object has two same label A. So first the 10 is added with the second object A label 20, so we get the result 30. At the same time, first object another one A values ordered with the second object A label, so 5 plus 20 25 also, so printed. Next B added, and then C label of both object added, and D is not present in first object, so not a number is returned. And next we are adding the two object and assign to some other object. Next we can print it also. Next filtering the some data from series object using expressions. So how to filtering data means the general format series object square bracket of the boolean expressions we should give. So expressions, the logical expression, condition expression should give. So see here object 1 series printed, and next we check the condition less than 10. So 56.6 is less than 10 is false. So like that all the data was compared. And next statement. So object 1 of square bracket object 1 less than 10. So here meaning is which one the conditions written true, that values alone retrieved. So in the second print statement, according to the second print statement, the first position only true is written. So the first position value in the series object is 7. So 7 is printed. Dropping means nothing but so deleting the data from the series object using the functions drop. General format for drop is series object dot drop. In bracket we have to give the remove index. So here I have given first printing the object and object 1 dot drop of A. So A is removed because A is the two times appeared in the series object. So 2A also removed. And next one is object 1 dot drop of 2 is given. So second position data is removed from the series object. So first one index label is mentioned. Second one is index position is mentioned to remove the elements. And the difference between the numpy and series object is, so in the numpy object when we are doing vectorized operations, that array both array size should be matched, otherwise it show the here shape must be matched. But in case of series object it's not a problem, even though the indexes are not matched, it return the not a number. And in numpy arrays always index position start with a numeric only, 0 onwards it will be started. But in series objects we can give any index, any letter, strings, a number, anything give. Default only start from 0.